They try to take my flow, I take their ass for ransom. I know that I'm gone. They see me blowing up, now they say they want some. I got 2 twin blocks, turn you to a dancer.
Yes, boy, after all. Your shoes ugly? They don't say your face ugly too. What kind of shoes you want? Eh? This boot, I'm gonna keep you till this year, and next year, and the next year, and the next year, after next year. So you couldn't want no more shoes, I want you now. New shoes? Where you gonna get it from? Sell some shoes? Alright. This is the only time me, I go give you a blind. Because you see when me come here, so, I work, I don't play things. So come, me I go find out cheap shoes give you. Cheap boot you want, a cheap boot you go get.
Clocks, everything I get. What? Daddy, what you say now? Your boy there, man.
Yeah, man, one boy.
Me see when get the ugly looks them from, you know.
Me never too pretty, you know, so.
Me never see it, man. That's not word, man.
But one cheap boot for you, boy.
One cheap boot, them, man. You see things them, man. Look,
Yeah,
man.
so take up your one, man. Me time here, not in a boy.
What? Man, you chop it for a gamma, man.
No, you're not gonna take it back to my bush, you know. Because that's so expensive. You have got to take it, keep me, kill me, you know. What you mean you don't want that boy? I'll lick you out of me cutlass.
Boot, man, they must have 10 million years now,
Alright. And the one you have to be for 10 years straight. And still running that.
Watch you know who them bad shoes are? A name on the scene of them, man. A name or where them use.
Alright, so tell me something. How much you keep me, kill me?
You know, say, I give for a reasonable price.
Yeah.
1.5 million.
You want that money on foot? 1.5? You want that money you have in my pocket right now? Me I say me have no small 1.5 in my pocket. Hold on. What? Let me find out 5. 5. I want maybe so much 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1.5 million.
Good money. Good.
Alright, you're going to take 1.5 with the point too. One.
Yeah.
So come. Go leave fast because I have some stone to go broke. Let's go.
Hold on.
What do you mean, hold on?
A 1 foot.
What do you mean?
1 foot and 1.5, man.
1 foot?
Yeah.
You have to live with it. Holy. What do you mean,
That's
boy? What do you mean you don't want it?
where them boot there, brother.
Come on, let's go. We have to move the cows. Let's go.
Them know about 1.5. Yeah,